10 years.
Okay.
So it was worth it to leave a bit and then also analyze, like senior analyst in the
king of analysis.
I had to also analyze my career, where what I did wrong, what I did right.
Okay.
And to me, for that I got the answers. That's why I said, Maro, the great, because there's a lot of things. Like the first person to do a concert away from Kampala that was Kamboin.
Kamboin concert Idinda.
Yeah. And no one was thinking about that. Even my management back over. Freedom City Freedom City ni photo ajisoka. That's another thing.
Chitufu Maro kwa Freedom City.
Yeah. I want to go to Mananga venue events. Then I went to Ginger for the first concert to be like outside Kampala.
Okay.
Before Reggie did.
He's outside.
Where people came from Kampala to his place.
Okay.
For me, people came like Morris Kiria, Steve Jean is the one who did my sound. Who else? People like Judith Hart were there.
Okay.
There's a fleet of artists in God. Nibazuli Tams, they drove. There was a lot of people from
Atanira go atuleta Zuli Tams mu studio gye bayitanga Volume Up Records. Wali ensambya kutelu party mazima mall. Yes boss. So so tutulire abasiga bagamba Maro agende Bulaya n'atudukako omuzungu yamutwala.
People think omuzungu namufuna recently, but you know my story.
I know the story.
I got my wife now. I got her when we were all starting. So we were like students starting out, and me, my passion of music and all that.
Okay.
So she has been there.
She has been there since day one. Ngakukiriza. So tutunulire Maro obulamu bubadde butya eri ng'oli homesick ng'oli eri n'endongo wano gyulire kwajja abasajja boogerera mu ndongo wano emyaka egyo gy'obadde nga oweereza ka once in a while.
Yeah. I think kibadde kizibu nnyo to watch because abasinga babadde nganze babadde frustrated. Yeah, then chanyamba nyo obutabeera wano. Because maybe I would have even also been so frustrated.
Depression, bikyendongo, amawulire,
attention. Kumbe, the thing with Alien Skin and all these other people, they came with their own strategy. So is a government bamanyi ndongo, bamanyi marketing, and ndongo, all the system they're trying, it is about marketing. That's why everywhere there is cameras. There is a microphone, there's a camera, there's a person listening. This is marketing. If I just tell you something, negamba, which man Maro buliranchi alia enkoko namba, kati echongo chitambuza, kati olugambo. Before, right now, it's what we call TikTok.
Okay. So bali bamastering omuzanyo bebaja n'omuzanyo balyamu voice aninoni Alien Skin omuzanyo gwa
yali ekoleetya yali emanyi nti bwe nkuba akayimba nkatwala ku metro nkatwala eri
Majestic
kati ntandika kulumba club ngakola bikinga nga it's about music.
Okay.
Asa jukira everyone mu January February kabebe cool bafulumya ngo luyimba to test the waters. Kati balya awo webaleka bagamba okay kati nimaliriza omwaka kati kansoke mpushingolo.
Okay.
But because of this new system yali egamba omanyi paka kuwulira bulira bakusindika ekitimba and what kati bali batusinga ekitimba.
H2.
But which is now we are learning okusindika ekitimba and all that, and good music is there. It's alive.
Okay. So
ugende Stockholm oba
Sweden
gundi kati zebakola nene.
Okay.
Munich kati edinga hub.
Music hub, eh?
Yeah. Mutukeyo Ugandan community. Mutu yanane mufa.
There
are many atenga baleta Nigeria because now they are united. Nigerians bachichi bona bajjao n'abazungu bajja ne balabasha.
Kali kwa kayimba kali background bakaita anjagala twafuna ne fefe busi collaborations ndo njaka tutunne ebiri nga tugenda nkomewa abakulu mbateba kusoye oyina collab ya mubibubi yali ensonga abamu Lutalo yali mwali nenga tetumukiriza njagala kogera amazima sirwa nti gali mazima nga tetumukiriza nga acha grassinga yenge sitenda mukiriza Lutalo akunoonya atya mu bakolu yimbo olwo woluyimbo tulaba lina ne video biri walo video nga mutudde wali eke je twalinga esambya then atene mojidamu ne live
kati liwechiti Lutalo ngabola mienze ne Chris Evans connection eriwo abamu bwe baba tulaba balowooza we cannot be friends oba you cannot talk. Kati ngabo ngolabenze ne Chris Evans we twogera. We were talking a lot with Lutalo ngabo musanga. He says he likes what I do, and I also say I really like what you do. Kati ngatwesanga oba mwesanze na chivuwa bishinga mwesanga ne mbonga ne munyumya kabozi ne mukama nayo omanyi
tuje tukole
so ngaze mpandiko limba ende wa gundi Fizo ngamugamba
Dr. Fizo
kati ngatokwata CD eyo tujuwa manage bisere kati manager kati
honorable Derek Oroni
kati ngatumu watumwa CD nga wajiteka mu bali baina connection ne management ya so much bisere wali humble management Kabaka Xavier okay bali na connection kati nga iyo connection ye yandoza yatwala nnyo yatuyamba nnyo because kati okolo oluyimba n'okulumaliriza kuleta Lutalo ku studio na all that because ye ali mu nserinda nga wetaga omwambu samu dada bakusensera kituufu kale nekituyamba olimba ne lufuluma. Actually, was over collecting like that. It was bad downtown in the Bahaman. Okay. Video, but video you talk on. Kangamboga to a papa. I want to yakola choko and to believe in video. Yari Chris de Ba. Chris de Ba. Never near soka. Then the trust in Amugamaka and I was like overwhelmed to create. Now I made one muchi Frank Amaja. Never kids and never tell you video shooting ile wakati wenalika chinzize so yes storyline so far at least abantu bagamba ku concert ya Lutalo mako gwennyini yaita ku invite nzate gwomu ku bantu abalina oluyimbo lwali byegwe na yine Lutalo nange byalinga bizibu ngaze nyizo mulanga na atalabika oba na teka show nandabira aho ngazize obo Luis not na kafana nkina mu surprise ngakugera kwa rehearsal n'inda games embera ku show then kana kali mu background fefe busa atulamu atakuba luno limba Lutalo Kampala ekyali we nafulumya anjagala anjagala that time it was 2019 now na 2018 kati nga muwala wange agenda zaliro kati ngandaba wenaleka oluyimba nga luchanso kwata there's no way I'm going to catch up lujja kugwako nga sinakola ki sinakomawo so kwe kuyita fefe tulina ennyimba nyingi zemwakola naye but actually saita fefe nakubira nawandikira Fikfa Maker yeah sino bade sikyogera nako like so much nakubira Fikfa Maker nawandikira Fikfa Maker namugamba nakayimba kakano so kawuliremu I want you to do a remix which you call no papa saying you can to be nice ojja kuvolima bunchi nazalawa abayimbi banafya yazalawa bwati nagamba nina machinari bila asinga onokuba waggulu kituufu waggulu onokuba to the top level ono wanafu yange okulira namba emu kati ng'oli kyali wange najja kyatwalira kigana 15 twali tumaze and it's a masterpiece. Yes, boss. The concert. Kali tuwayawayamba naye gwana ndoza convention mugikwata ebakutta abatudde ka ku radio tewali kusagasaga no mwana mutuma obuji mutume chai mutuma akasero mugambe Maro ku radio kwali kateeke wan kali yes katufunemu anjagala unakayimba kapyo tukomawo abakulu abali mu studio bagenda musoya nze byange mbadde jagala okutegera ebisinga biweddeyo katukole wetu best pose tujja kwenda kayimba kapya katufune ku luyimba luno atukomeo lwako lya dala bulungi nnyo Alanitonics. Oh yes. Antonix aina ne show. I think unakuleru mu logambi. Eringa bilinga 3 November. Team Antonix.
Sasa tukambuza kuma resemba yo. Tugale wembe. Resemba cyo babo nyamba buyamba. Resemba yo.
Mwino kugobera guys like waliwo omwana gwe bayita Lativizi ayimba bulungi. At least I feel like if you shine such lights there and then Sean waliwo Sean is
Sean Wiz.
From Busoga.
Sean Wiz article.
Yeah.
He's a writer.
Not only,
He's a writer, but
that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah,
He's
he's
not only a good singer, he's a good writer.
As well. Peni nyingi zawandiise ennyimba nyingi zataddeko omukono akola bulungi mutabani wange oyo abeera nnyo kola collabo ne John Black oba oli awo John Black ate n'ata ne David Lutalo
waliwo politics gwe baali bazanya John Black gwe yali bambitamanyi
kuba
John Black namusonyiwa kuba yali artist mupya bambi ng'alina bambi by'atamanyi bamuzannyawo politics